Don't press the button 4 because it's my first time. I never played this game in my whole entire life. Find a pink circle. Find a red ball. Where is it? Find a bright thing. No. Oh, it's there. There. I found it. Boy. Let's go with one, baby. Find a green wedge. Bro, you see it? I see it. It's right there. Okay, guys, make sure you to like and subscribe because this is about to get lit. Are you lucky or unlucky? Of course I'm lucky. Then what? Oh, yes! Yes, I am lucky. Yes, I am lucky. Ooh, pink slime. It looks like. Or is that pink water? That's pink lava. Yeah, that's pink lava. I guess. Baba! Oh, it's my twin buddy. Bigger than me. And I'm better than me. Anyways, guys, I did not win. Yeah. The incoming balls. I'm stopping one. At least one. Yo, got it. Yo. Let's go. It's a basketball. Hey, yo, we're like everybody's like the goalkeeper from football. I am Courtois and Manuel Neuer. It's a real football. Another real football. Okay, that's what I say. Ooh. Man, oh my god, thank you. Okay, guys, I think this is a safe place. I don't to start the balls. And look, it's my twin. Yeah, but look at my head. I'm smarter than him. Oh yeah, the balls will stop. We're stopped. Okay, I got the coin. What's happening, guys? Oh, pizza. Okay. 31. Let's go, I won, baby. Okay, guys. That was my grandmother show. Yes, we made it. We love it, we love. We made it, we love it, we love. We lie. What's happening? Oh. Bro, what is happening? Oh, it's like a game. It's like a game. Like last time, like when I was like a babe, like, oh my god, this is so hard. Guys, right now, this game is this one is kind of hard. Yo, hey, come on. Oh, finally. Come on. Ah, come on. Anyways, that was good. Ready, fight. Fight, yeah, this way. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, shit, I almost fell in my chair. Fight. But I was really fighting. And I really just Bacon wins. Bacon Okay, don't fall in the lava. I'm not gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall! Damn. Mimi. Username not found. What do you mean? Your username is really your username is really username not found. I don't know. Okay, but I want to see the real winner. I want to see the winner. Okay. Oh, Virat, come on! Virat, come out, Virat! Virat! Oh, come on, Virat! I believe in you. I believe in you, twin. I believe in you, twin. Actually, he's not my twin in real life, but in the game. Jump over the laser. Blah, 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 blah. What is that? Anyways, let's say here. Let's see. There we go. Oh, it's my friend, Virat. Guys, Virat Kohli. Yeah, Virat Kohli. I can see most men. Maybe for good thing. Maybe for blood. British man. My place were no, yeah. And I'm the 6th one. Okay, yay, let's go.
Thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana. Next to a banana.
Wait, what? What happened? Oh, yo! Look at me. Reach the end. Where is it? Okay, I think this might be easy.